Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some modern cottage decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Modern cottage decor is a cozy, fresh twist on traditional cottage style, blending warmth and comfort with clean lines, minimal clutter, and modern functionality. Think of it as rustic charm meaning contemporary simplicity. Key features of modern cottage decor use neutral and soft color palettes, shades of white, cream, beige, taupe, and soft pastels, pops of muted greens, navy, or black of contrast. Walls are often painted in light tones to enhance brightness. Use clean lines plus cozy layers, make simple furniture silhouette with plush cushions, tunic draws, and layered rugs. Keep the space minimal but not cold. Vintage plus modern mix, pairing with the spines like a distressed cabinet or iron bed frame with modern lighting or sleek hardware. Antiques are used sparingly and styled purposefully. Minimal decor with purpose, no over decorating, display handmade pottery, a few well chosen plants, or framed art in calm colors. Shelving is neat and styled with intention. Examples of modern cottage decor: a sleep covered white sofa with a jute jug, wooden coffee table, and black metal floor lamp. Use open shelves in the kitchen holding white ceramics, wooden cutting boards, and small plants. Bedroom with light linen bedding, oven basket storage, and a vintage mirror. Why people love it? It feels calm, lifting, and elegant without being too busy. It just makes old charm while staying fresh and updated. Perfect for small spaces and countryside homes, but also looks beautiful in city apartments. The soul of modern cottage decor. Modern cottage decor is about simple living with soul. It keeps the emotional warmth of a countryside cottage, but clears away the visual clutter of heavy decor. It defines but personal, minimal but never stale. It invites you to relax and feel at home with a sense of elegant imperfection. Style roots, where it comes from, traditional cottage style, originated from English and European rural homes, known for floral prints, vintage furniture, and cozy spaces. Modern influence adds Scandinavian simplicity, clean lines, light colors, and clutter-free styling. Together, they create something that feels both timeless and current. Room by room breakdown. First, living room, color base, light gray, soft white, or warm beige. Furniture, soft linen or cotton sofas, reclaimed wood coffee tables, modern metal or ceramic lamps. Touch of nature, potted plants, oven baskets, or a dried flower arrangement. Kitchen, open shelving, instead of closed cabinets, show off white or handmade ceramics. Use natural wood touches, cutting boards, tools, mudca block countertops. Modern lighting, industrial style pendants, or matte black fixtures. Next, bedroom. Use textile first. Crepes white sheets, linen duffets, layered with knitted throws. Neutral headboards, softly padded or natural wood. Decor framed vintage cases, scented candles, soft rug underfoot. Bathroom light and airy. White tiles, light with accents, gold or matte black buckets. Cottage net, a clawfoot tub, cotton curtains, maybe a hanging eucalyptus buckets. Anyway, simple but inviting, a small bench with open baskets underneath, a few hooks for hats, and a mirror with a wood frame. Color and textures in modern cottage decor, whites and cream, foundation of the palette, earthy accents, soft greens, warm browns, dusty blues, and charcoal. Textures mixed rough and smooth, a linen pillow beside a sleek lamp, or raw wood next to polished stone. Emotional feel, full safe, solo, and grounding. It is about stepping away from a rushed digital world. Even items feel intentional, a handmade mug, a well-loved quilt, a found vintage mirror. Seasonal styling, spring or summer. Add fresh flowers, cotton or linen straws, and open windows. Fall or winter, layer with wool blankets, candles, giant herbs, and warm lighting. Signature decor details, white shiplap or pastel walls, light washed wood beams, minimal window treatments to let in light. Glass or ceramic vases with single stems, subtle vintage details like old books, antique picture frames, and distressed wood. Modern cottage decor and in-depth exploration, the philosophy behind it. Modern cottage decor embraces a quiet rebellion against chaos. It is a space where simplicity meets soul, where modern charity respects rustic tradition. It's rooted in solo living. Every item is chosen with care. Intentional design. Rooms are functional but emotionally warm. Natural connections. It brings the outdoors in through materials, textures, and light. It is not about decorating, it is about creating a meaningful environment. Sensory experience. Visual, bright and breezy. Whites and neutrals reflect sunlight, while soft texture make the eyes feel at ease. Climbing symmetry with soft irregularities, like a hand-thrown vase or slightly uneven with the shelf. Sound minimal, gentle acoustics. No clutter from over-accessorized rooms. The subtle crack of wood floors, the rustle of linen curtains. That tactile comfort everywhere, brushed cotton straws, own wooden furniture, rock clay pots. Even smooth modern surfaces, like marble or steel, are paired with soft finishes to avoid sterility. Smell lavender in jar, lemon in the kitchen, beeswax candles, or fresh air from open windows. Symbolism and storytelling. Every page in a modern cottage home often has a backstory or feels like it could. This gives the space authenticity. You might find a tipped teacup used as a planter or a vintage clock next to a sleek lamp. Balance old world objects that feels timeless paired with clean lined furniture that feels current. Character. The home is not deserted, it is lived in with beauty. Artistic styling techniques. Modern cottage decor borrows from both fine design principles and folk inspiration. Rule of three. Decor in groups of three, like a vase, a book, and a candle on a table. Negative space. Leave breathing room. A wall with nothing on it is just as important as one with art. Organic shape, imperfect, asymmetrical decor at soul. Think hand-open baskets, irregular pottery, or chopped linen. Lifestyle influence. Modern cottage is more than decor, it is a way of life. People who love this style often value mindful routines. Tea at a window set, baking with cast iron, writing by hand. Connection to nature, gardening, hiking, seasonal decorating. Sustainability, repurposing, buying fewer but better pieces, loving vintage. It is a space to slow down, breathe deeply, and feel peace in your surroundings. Light as a design element. Natural light is a major design feature in modern cottage spaces. Uncovered or shared windows allow sunlight to flood in. Mirrors and white walls help bounce light around, creating a brighter, airier space. Even at night, lighting a soft table lamp sconces fairy lights and candles rather than harsh overhead. Examples of perfect modern cottage vignettes: a teeny reading nook with a linen slip-covered chair, an open footstool, and a stack of vintage book under a glass dome. A kitchen corner with open wooden shelves holding neutral ceramics, a sprig of rosemary, and a handmade apron. A bedroom windowsill lined with small potted herbs, a candle in brass holder, and a single feather in a jar. Modern cottage decor, the poetry of home. Emotion at the heart of the style. Modern cottage decor is not just about how it looks, it is about how it makes you feel. It feels nostalgic yet new, like visiting your grandmother's cottage but with clean lines and fewer distractions. Safe and soulful, a refuge from the world, a soft space to land. Romantic and grounded, you are surrounded by beauty, but it never feels artificial. Each object whispers stories, and every corner seems to invite rest or reflection. Storytelling through objects. Modern cottage homes feel like chapters of a quiet novel. You will often find a ceramic picture that once belonged to someone's great aunt. pressed flowers in a wooden frame, a stack of handwritten recipes in a kitchen drawer, a wool blanket that still holds the scents of countryside air. Everything has a sense of memory, not clutter, crowded memory. Daily rituals shaped by the decor. This style encourages a slower, intentional lifestyle, where even simple tasks become little joys. Making tea at a stoneware mug while standing barefoot on white plank wood floors. Folding laundry in a sunlit corner where lavender shades rest. Watering your herbs on a windowsill lined with teeny vintage bottles. The home supports calm living and invites you to pause. Nature always present. Modern cottage decor honors nature not just with materials but with seasonal living. The home becomes an extension with the earth's rhythm. The balance between past and present. Modern cottage design embraces opposite old and new, minimal and cozy, neutral and warm, practical and poetic. The ceremony is hot gifts, it is timeless, deeply human quality. It is a feeling, not a formula. Modern cottage decor is not about following rules, it is about creating a home that says, you are safe here, you can rest here, you don't need to impress anyone here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.